Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P0716 error code indicates a malfunction in the input turbine speed sensor A circuit associated with the Honda Civic 2016 to 2021 models. This error arises when the torque converter turbine speed sensor, integrated on the transmission housing, fails to send proper signals to the transmission control module, TCM. The TCM relies on these signals to evaluate the torque converter's operation, and any missing pulses during gear rotation indicate a serious issue. The sensor plays a vital role in measuring the speed of the gear on the input shaft, and its output is essential for smooth shifting and overall drivability. As a result, if this sensor circuit plays up, it can cause malfunctions linked to various transmission operations. Understanding the components involved, such as the torque converter and its relationship with the TCM, is pivotal in diagnosing and remedying the issue effectively. The primary component associated with the DTC P0716 is the torque converter turbine speed sensor, which is crucial for measuring the rotational speed of the input shaft within the vehicle's continuously variable transmission, CVT. This sensor is mounted externally on the transmission housing, where it detects the revolution of the gears on the input shaft. Its functionality hinges on sending precise pulse signals to the transmission control module, TCM, which interprets these pulses to gauge the torque converter turbine speed. If the sensor experiences issues, such as an open circuit, loose connectors, or short circuits, the TCM registers this discrepancy and triggers the error code. Hence, understanding the precise location and role of this sensor is key to a successful troubleshooting process, enhancing efficient gear operations and ensuring optimal vehicle performance. Several potential causes might lead to the DTC P0716 being triggered in the Honda Civic models from 2016 to 2021. Firstly, an open NT line within the torque converter turbine speed sensor circuit can occur, which may include connector disconnections or loose connections. This can disrupt the sensor's ability to relay information accurately to the TCM. Secondly, a short circuit to ground in the same line can prevent proper functionality, leading to erroneous signals or total signal failure. Another significant cause is the failure of the torque converter turbine speed sensor itself, which, if faulty, would not relay the necessary operation data to the TCM. Lastly, an internal failure of the TCM can also create this diagnosis, indicating that the problem may not always be with the sensor, but with the management module interpreting the data. The symptoms accompanying DTC P0716 include a range of noticeable indicators that alert the driver to potential issues with the vehicle. One of the first warnings is the illumination of the malfunction indicator light, MIL, which activates to signify that there is a detected fault within the system. Additionally, the shift position indicator may blink intermittently, signaling to the driver that there is an error affecting gear transitions. These visual cues are generally accompanied by poor transmission performance, which can manifest as rough shifting, unusual noises, or hesitations upon acceleration. Collectively, these symptoms necessitate immediate attention to avert further complications with the vehicle's transmission system, as continued driving in this state may lead to more severe drivability issues. The first troubleshooting step for diagnosing DTC P0716 entails starting the engine. This action is essential as it initiates the various vehicle systems, particularly the transmission and its sensors. After the engine has started, the next phase involves driving the vehicle at a speed of at least 19 miles per hour, 30 kilometers per hour, for a duration of no less than 30 seconds. This ensures that the transmission unit enters operational conditions in which the torque converter turbine speed sensor can effectively send and receive signals. It's imperative to undertake this step under safe traffic regulations and ambient conditions, as it may require maneuvering in a manner that does not risk the safety of the driver or others. Observing proper execution of this step is vital, as it sets the groundwork for accurately assessing whether the issue persists or resolves during normal driving maneuvers. After successfully completing the driving conditions outlined in the previous step, the next phase involves monitoring the vehicle's performance using the HDS, or Honda Diagnostics System. The HDS provides critical data about the vehicle's systems in real time, allowing technicians to diagnose any ongoing issues effectively. Specific parameters concerning the torque converter turbine speed and associated signals should be carefully scrutinized. It is paramount to note the operating conditions under which the DTC was initially recorded and compare these against the data captured during testing. If the DTC reoccurs after taking these measurements, further investigations will be necessary to delve deeper into potential causes beyond what has already been observed, establishing whether the issue lies with the sensor, connections, or TCM itself. Upon completion of the necessary repairs or adjustments following the diagnostic process for DTC P0716, it is crucial to conduct a final verification to confirm that the rectifications were effective. Start by utilizing a scan tool to clear all stored DTCs, including the P0716, ensuring that the system is reset and allows for fresh monitoring during follow-up tests. Following this, a thorough test drive must be executed under the same conditions as previously recorded, ensuring that the vehicle operates within the specified parameters. During the test drive, carefully monitor the vehicle's performance regarding shifting and acceleration to guarantee that no warning lights reappear. This final step is vital in validating the success of the repair, providing reassurance that the torque converter's functionality has been restored effectively and that the vehicle is safe for regular operation. In order to minimize the risk of encountering DTC P0716 in the future, adopting a proactive approach to preventive maintenance is key. Regularly checking the torque converter turbine speed sensor can help catch potential issues before they escalate into more severe problems. Alongside this, it is essential to verify all electrical connections related to the sensor to ensure there are no loose or corroded terminals that could disrupt signal transmission. Additionally, monitoring the overall performance of the transmission during routine maintenance can help detect abnormal behaviors or performance hitches early on. By instituting these preventive measures, vehicle owners can enhance longevity, reliability, and overall performance of the transmission system, ensuring a smoother driving experience. In conclusion, the DTC P0716 highlights critical aspects of the Honda Civics transmission performance, emphasizing the importance of the torque converter turbine speed sensor in ensuring smooth operational efficiency. Understanding the roles and functions of this sensor, as well as its interplay with the TCM, is essential for any technician or vehicle owner addressing related issues. Awareness of warning signs, such as the MIL illumination and shift indicator blinking, allows for timely intervention. Following the outlined troubleshooting steps meticulously can lead to effective diagnosis and successful repairs. Taking proactive measures through regular maintenance and inspection can also mitigate the potential for future occurrences, contributing to a more reliable and enjoyable driving experience. Ultimately, knowledge and proactive action are key to maintaining the integrity of the Honda Civics transmission system. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.